In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best cordless bathroom cleaning brush on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best cordless bathroom cleaning brush on Amazon. Number 1, IEZFIX Electric Spin Scrubber, cordless bathroom power scrubber with 8 replaceable brush heads, 3 speeds up to 450 revolutions per minute, telescopic handle cleaning brush for tub, tile, floor, shower and kitchen. Black, powerful 450 revolutions per minute motor. High-speed spinning power easily removes stubborn dirt, soap scum, and grime from bathroom and kitchen surfaces. 3 adjustable speed settings, switch between 3 cleaning speeds to handle delicate surfaces or heavy-duty scrubbing tasks. 8 interchangeable brush heads. Includes multiple brush attachments designed for tubs, tiles, grout, floors, sinks, toilets, and more. Adjustable telescopic handle extendable rod allows you to reach high walls, ceilings, and floor corners without bending or kneeling. Cordless and ergonomic design. Lightweight cordless design provides easy handling and convenient cleaning around the home. The IEZFIX Electric Spin Scrubber is a versatile. Number 2, Qimedo Electric Spin Scrubber Q3, 1200 revolutions per minute cordless power scrubber with 6000 mAh battery. Smart display cleaning brush with 8 brush heads for bath, tub, tile, floor and shower. 1200 RPM powerful motor. High-speed spinning power for removing tough dirt, soap scum, and grime. 6000 mAh long-lasting battery. Large capacity battery provides extended cleaning time. Smart LED display shows battery level and speed mode for easy monitoring. 8 replaceable brush heads. Multiple attachments for tubs, tiles, floors, grout, and sinks. Cordless and easy to use. Lightweight design for convenient and comfortable cleaning. The Qimedo Electric Spin Scrubber Q3 is a powerful cordless cleaning brush designed for fast and efficient home cleaning. With a 1200 revolutions per minute motor, 6000 mAh battery, smart display, and 8 interchangeable brush heads, it easily cleans bathtubs, tiles, floors, showers, and kitchen surfaces. Its cordless ergonomic design makes deep cleaning easier while saving time and effort. Number 3, HOTO Cordless Electric Spin Scrubber, IPX7 Full Body Waterproof Bathroom Cleaning Brush, Max 22 nlb, Shower Scrubber Brush with long handle, 6 brush heads, power scrubber for bathroom, floor, tile. Powerful electric scrubbing. High torque motor provides strong spinning power, up to about 300 revolutions per minute, to remove dirt, soap scum, and grime easily. IPX7 Full Body Waterproof. Fully waterproof design allows safe use in wet areas like bathrooms, bathtubs, and sinks. 6 replaceable brush heads. Multiple brush attachments for cleaning tubs, tiles, floors, grout, sinks, and kitchen surfaces. Extendable long handle. Adjustable handle helps clean walls, floors, and corners without bending or kneeling. Long battery runtime. Rechargeable battery delivers up to about 110 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge. The HOTO Cordless Electric Spin Scrubber is designed to make home cleaning faster and easier. Featuring a powerful rotating motor, IPX7 waterproof design, and 6 interchangeable brush heads, it effectively cleans bathroom tiles, tubs, floors, and shower walls. Its extendable long handle helps reach high or hard-to-access areas while reducing strain on your back and knees. With a long-lasting rechargeable battery and ergonomic cordless design, this power scrubber is perfect for deep cleaning bathrooms, kitchens, and up. Number 4, BLACKYEW Electric Spin Scrubber, cordless power cleaning brush with 7 replaceable heads, adjustable long handle, and LCD display. IPX6 waterproof shower scrubber for bathroom, tub, tile, floor and car. Powerful cordless cleaning. High-speed rotating motor removes stubborn dirt, grime, and soap scum easily. 7 replaceable brush heads. Multiple brush attachments for tubs, tiles, floors, grout, and car surfaces. Adjustable long handle. Extendable handle helps reach floors, walls, and corners without bending. LCD smart display displays battery status and cleaning mode for convenient use. IPX6 waterproof design, safe for use in wet areas like bathrooms, showers, and sinks. The BLACKYEW Electric Spin Scrubber is a cordless power cleaning brush designed for efficient home cleaning. With 7 interchangeable brush heads, an adjustable long handle, and a smart LCD display, it easily cleans bathrooms, tubs, tiles, floors, and even cars. Its IPX6 waterproof design and powerful motor make deep cleaning faster and easier while saving time and effort. Number 5, Sorpci Electric Spin Scrubber, 2026 new cordless cleaning brush, shower cleaning brush with 7 replaceable brush heads, power scrubber 3 adjustable speeds, detachable long handle and IPX7 waterproof, powerful 3-speed motor adjustable speed settings for light cleaning or heavy-duty scrubbing. 7 replaceable brush heads, multiple attachments for tubs, tiles, grout, floors, sinks, and more. A detachable long handle extended handle helps reach high walls and floors without bending. IPX7 waterproof. Designed safe to use in wet areas like bathrooms and showers, cordless and lightweight, easy to use, designed for convenient and efficient home cleaning. The Sorpci electric spin scrubber is a powerful cordless cleaning brush designed for quick and effective home cleaning. Featuring 3 adjustable speeds, 7 interchangeable brush heads, and a detachable long handle, it easily cleans bathrooms, tubs, tiles, floors, and other surfaces. With its IPX7 waterproof design and ergonomic cordless build, this power scrubber makes deep cleaning faster and easier while saving time and effort. Number 6. TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber, Full-Body IPX7 Waterproof Bathroom Scrubber with Power LCD Display, Adjustable Extension Handle, Cordless Shower Cleaner Brush for Bathtub Kitchen Wall Cleaning, Powerful Electric Cleaning High-Speed Rotating Motor removes stubborn dirt, soap scum, and grime with ease. LCD Smart Display built-in display shows battery status in cleaning mode for convenient control. IPX7 Waterproof design full-body waterproof protection allows safe use in bathrooms and wet environments. Adjustable extension handle, long extendable handle helps clean walls, floors, and corners without bending. Cordless and ergonomic lightweight cordless design provides easy handling and flexible cleaning. The TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber is a powerful cordless cleaning tool designed for efficient home cleaning. Featuring a smart LCD display, adjustable extension handle, and full-body IPX7 waterproof design, it easily removes dirt and grime from bathtubs, tiles, kitchen surfaces, and walls.